Want to make money selling your art and designs on Redbubble? Here's how to get started in just 60 seconds. Step 1. Create your Redbubble account. Sign up and set up your profile with a catchy bio and profile picture to attract customers. Step 2. Upload high-quality designs. Use software like Adobe Illustrator or Canva to create unique, eye-catching designs. The more creative and on-trend your designs are, the more they'll sell. Step 3. Optimize your listings. Use relevant keywords in your titles and tags to help your products get discovered. Think about what your customers might search for. Step 4. Promote your products. Share your designs on social media, join online communities, and engage with your audience. The more visibility, the better. With the right designs and marketing strategies, you can turn Redbubble into a profitable side hustle in 2024. So, start creating and selling today. Don't forget to follow for more tips on making money online. See you in the next video.